In the village of Chaknambar, Hopapur, lived Bashir Chacha, the most optimistic man ever produced by the village. While others complained about the heat, the mosquitoes, and the electricity, Bashir Chacha smiled like he'd just won the grand prize bond. One morning, his buffalo broke the rope and ran away. The villagers panicked, rushing to Bashir Chacha's door. "Arey Bashir, तुम्हारी भैंस भाग गई!" Bashir Chacha sipped his chai and calmly replied, "अच्छा हुआ, शायद वॉक करने का मूड था, एक्सरसाइज जरूरी है." The villagers shook their heads. ये तो पागल हो गया. By evening, the buffalo returned, bringing 2 extra buffaloes from the neighbor's field. Bashir Chacha nodded proudly. देखा, पॉजिटिव सोचो, नेटवर्किंग भी जरूरी है. Next day, black clouds rolled in during wheat harvesting season. Rain poured down, farmers cried, cursed the clouds, blamed the government, and called the weatherman a liar. But Bashir Chacha, he danced in the mud like a child. "Pagal ho gaye ho, Bashir," someone shouted over the rain. "Nahi bhai," he laughed. "Free soil testing ho rahi hai. Aur mud therapy bhi." A week later, his crop grew taller than the village loudspeaker pole. The same pole that announced every complaint in the village. The others could only watch in silence. Then came the biggest test. Bashir Chacha went to the city to get his tractor driving license. He drove enthusiastically, perhaps too enthusiastically. The officer stopped him with a whistle. "You failed. Badly. Very badly." Bashir Chacha beamed with pride. "Mashallah. मतलब मैं अभी जमीन से ज्यादा कनेक्टेड हूं. Roots strong है." The officer stared at him. Then his lips twitched. Then he laughed, loud and long, until tears rolled down his face. He stamped the license paper. "Pass for making me laugh. We need more people like you." Soon the villagers noticed something strange. Things kept going right for Bashir Chacha. Not because he was lucky, not because he was clever, but because he never stopped trying, never complained, and always believed something good was waiting around the corner. Now, whenever trouble visits Chaknambar Hopapur, whether it's a failed crop, a broken pump, or a wedding gone wrong, people don't panic. They don't complain. They just look at each other and say, "Relax karo, Bashir Chacha की तरह सोचो." And somehow, magically, beautifully, things get better. Positivity isn't ignoring problems. It's choosing to see possibilities.